Hello guys, Slaid in here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will teach you how you can make an open mask with some 3D stroke effect on it. As always, the project file of this tutorial is available for free in my Discord server. The link is in the description below. And now let's get started. So for this tutorial, I got two pictures, this one and this one. The first thing I want to do is pre-compose them. So right click, go to pre-compose, then follow my settings and click OK. Do it for both of your picture. And click on your top picture, press Ctrl D to duplicate it. And basically what we want to do is make a mask on half the screen, right? So go to the rectangle tool over there. If you can see the tools, you need to go to Window and enable the tools. And once you did this, make sure that your top picture is selected and click on this and proportional grid, right? And let's just make a mask that cover half the screen like this. Then select your mask, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy it. Go to your copy of the same picture and press Ctrl V to paste it. Press M on your keyboard to see the mask settings and click on invert. So this way we have this, and our second picture, right? So let's make an animation on it. Let's disable the proportional grid for now and go back to the selection tool. Press P on your keyboard to see the position and keyframe it. Go a couple keyframes later and set this one to here. And put this one over here. Once you did this, select your keyframe, right click on them, go to Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease. And just go to the graph editor, right click and choose Edit Speed Graph. And let's make a graph like this. Right? Once you did this, you can turn on the motion blur. Make sure it's enabled over here too. One effect that I like to use to make this transition look better, it adds some blur on this one. So let's go to the Effect and Preset and type for BCC Lens Blur OBS. Change the quality to sharp. Set the iris scale to 8 and the gamma to 1000. Keyframe the iris scale. Press U to see the keyframe and go to the end of your position keyframe and put it to 0. Select those keyframes, right click on them, Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease. And now let's see how it looks. I think it's a little bit slow, so I will just go to the graph editor and do something like this. Yeah, much better. And the last thing that we need to do is the 3D stroke effects. So to do this, you need to right click, go to New and select Solid. Make it the color you want and click OK. Go to the pen tool over there and do something like this, right? So put a line in the middle of your screen. Go to the Effect and Preset and search for 3D stroke. Put it on your solid. For the 3D stroke settings, you can change the color over there. In my case, I will choose pink. For the thickness, I like to use 5. And to animate this, you need to keyframe the start and the end. Press U on your keyboard. Set the first keyframe of the end to 0. Go a couple keyframes later and let's set that to 0. Actually, unkeyframe the start because we don't need it. Press U to see the animated keyframe. Select the keyframe, right click on them, go to Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease. And so far we have this. We need to change the graph editor. So go to the graph editor and do something like this. We need to make it faster. Right, even faster. Yeah, this is better. One effect that I like to use on this 3D stroke is the deep glow effect. So it's a glow basically. And let's put the exposure to 0.40 and the radius to 255. And let's see how it looks. To finish this transition, I'm gonna add some effect to it. Just right click, go to New and select Adjustment Layer. Duplicate it a couple times by pressing Ctrl D. And now to finish this transition, I'm gonna add some effect from my pack. Let's do it. And with all the effect that we just added, it looked like this. And this is our final result. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. It will win for you and for me. And see you in the next one, guys.